When I first started this channel, I thought I'd talk about AI, tech, and all that. That's fine. But what I realized is I didn't care about machines. What I really cared about is people. It's me. It's you. It's us humans. Us men. Because look around. What do you see? People scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, shorts, wasting their time endlessly, gaining no knowledge whatsoever, getting hit of dopamine for a while, and so on. People spend their entire day on Reels, TikTok. That's why I'm taking this channel to a different direction, a different perspective about discipline, self improvement, and becoming a better version of ourselves. You know, motivation, it isn't about changing your life or something. Motivation might give you a pump for an hour or maximum a day, and after that, back to the same old bad habits or habits that take you nowhere, lead you to nowhere at all. See, people out there who make content and the people you watch on the reels, they've got story to tell. What story do you got? Nothing. No story at all. You are no one. Who are you? No one. If you die right now, people might remember you for a month or so, maximum a year if so, if it's your parents or something. And after that, you've got no impact in this world. Nothing at all. You know, I want this channel to be a community where people help each other out, share share their struggles, thoughts to help people become someone they're proud of. I'm building this community to help you guys follow the path of discipline, self improvement, and making yourself better. Men holding each other out, holding their hands, walking the same path. I am not here telling you in some experience or something. I am in the same path as you are. That's why I could share my struggles with you along the way and I could share my thoughts with you, what's good, what's wrong, and how we could improve ourselves. People tend to listen a lot. I mean, hear a lot, but don't listen at all. There's a difference between hearing and listening. If you listen, you would work based on that, work towards that, understand that. See, I am making this channel with only real talk, real practical lessons, no no sugar coating at all. I want this community so useful, so impactful that it grows with the right men. If you're tired of wasting your time, wasting an endless amount of hours and reels, being soft, being dominated, following the same life you've been living up until right now, same boring life, nothing to improve yourselves, then this is the right path. I'll be here with you, walking the same path as you are, helping each other out. I'm not going to promise you this is going to be easy or something like that, but I promise you this will be worth it. And for that, I've got your back.